Hello everyone, welcome you again in Researchify. In this video, we will learn how to effectively search research article paper on Web of Science. So right now I am on Web of Science page. So here is the option you can search any articles by entering any keywords. So before searching any articles, let's have some of the options available in Web of Science for searching the articles. So first there is one options documents, authors and cited reference. So either you can directly search the documents or you can also search using the authors and cited articles. So let us see how many more options it will provide in documents section. So here you can see all files. If you type the topic, title, author, publication title, years, affiliation, and there are many options you can choose, whether you can choose as per your requirement. Okay, so in this case I will just select all fields. Okay, now you can also have options to select authors and search the articles by using the author's name. So here you can just put the last name and first name and you can search here. You can also search the article paper which are already cited reference. You can so let us start from the documents. Just come to the document and just write any keywords like probabilistic failure. Okay, just search using this keyword. Let's see what happened. Okay, there are 6,765 articles paper are available in the search engines. Now the magic is that after searching any keywords, you have given many options to filter out your result. Okay, so here there are many filter outs option. Just you can hear publication year. If you are searching any latest article, just tick 2012. You will get all articles paper published in 2022. Okay, see this paper January 2022. Actually these papers will be published on 2022, is accepted and available on online. Now if okay, now just come to the next filter option. Here you can see there are documents type. If you are looking for article, proceeding papers, review articles, early access or editorial materials, let us see if you wish to find out any review article. Let's just click on review article. You will get the review article on this keyword. Okay, now come to the next filter. Here there is many options: civil engineering, engineering mechanics, and there are many more. You can see all, and here are many results. So you can select as per your requirement what you are looking for. Okay, so and the main important things, if you are doing any research on a particular topic, so search the keyword and you will see how many authors are working on the same topic. So this is very interesting. You can just see, and here you will see there are many authors who are working on this keyword like probabilistic failure. Either this probabilistic failure will be in mechanical department, any other department, but the keywords which they are taking and the authors using this keyword. So there are a lot of authors. If you wish to select, let us select this author, and you can see there are papers which the authors published. Okay, now let us go down and come here. You can see the more interesting things. Okay, here the affiliation. If you wish to find out the journals who published particular in any association or institute or college, let us see search Indian Institute of Technology. So just click and refine. You will get the article papers which published by any Indian Institute authors. Okay, so this is few of the tips or basics steps to search any article paper in Web of Science. So I think this is very important tips to note down, or you can use these tips while you are searching any article on Web of Science. Okay, so thank you for watching.